Okay, here's something simple enough. Check this out. Right now we have fucking just a regular piano kicked in. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're going to mimic these knobs here, these knobs into this, the phaser. It's one with knobs on it. You can do one with oscillating knobs up and down and shit, and it's fine. But I'm gonna do this just so it's easy enough to figure out. Okay, go up here to options. And you go down, all the way down to multi-link to controllers. Bam. Okay. Now, you go on your screen and select this one. Click it. It'll run down and boat. Then you go down here and move this one. Da-da-da. There's an easier way to do it. If you like using hotkeys, Control J. Then go back, move one of these, and come back down, and move one of these, and bam, it's moving. Okay, now, turn those up. Move it back down. It's like magic. Have fun.